Yes, students, why the Leh is called the cold desert? Because the Leh is on the very height, and this area is very flat in between the hills, and there is too much dryness here. And dear students, because this is very height in the very highest, this is the very highest area in between the mountains. That is why there is too much cold too. That is why this is called the cold desert. Now the next is at home with Tashi. Tashi dragged me to his home. It was a building with 2 floors. The house was made of stone which were kept on over the other, one over the other. The walls were coated with a thick layer of mud and lime. The house looked like a shed from inside with a lot of hay stored there. We took the wooden steps and reached the first floor. This is where we stay, explained Tashi. The ground floor is for our animals and for storing necessary things. Sometimes, when it gets too cold, thick tree trunks were used to make the roof strong. Tashi then took me to the roof of his house. What a view! I could see the same flat roofs all around. On some red chilies were laid out to dry, and on some there were orange pumpkins and golden yellow corn. Some had stacks of paddy, and on some cow dung cakes were laid out to dry. This is the most important part of our house, said Tashi. During summer season, we dry many fruits and vegetables, so we store them for winters when we do not get fresh fruits and vegetables. As I stood there with Tashi, I could see how every part of the house was built especially to suit the needs of his people. I could understand how the thick walls, a wooden floor, and a woolen ceiling protected them from the cold. So, dear students, there are 2 questions are here. Read properly. Now, I will give you the answer of these 2 questions. During winters, Tashi and his family live on ground floor. Why would they be doing so? As there were no windows on the ground floor, hence the ground floor was protected from the cold winds. Thus, in order to protect them from the icy cold wind of the winter season, they live on the ground floor. What is the roof of your house like? What all is the roof used for? So you can answer. The roof of my house is made up of bricks and cement. Papar buddies, aam papad, etc. It is also used for sleeping in summer, getting sunlight in winters. So this was the second part of the explanation. Dear students, I hope you listen properly, try to understand the explanation of this chapter and understand properly. We will meet in the third part of the chapter. Till then, good day.